Hey guys, we are doing a 100,000 follower giveaway for our TikTok page, and it is a phenomenal giveaway. You are definitely going to want to enter. It is for a 2-night stay at the mansion, aka Southernmost House. $50 to Seaside Cafe at the mansion. Get that world famous lobster pizza. $50 to One Love. $50 to La Creperie, and a ghost tour with Southernmost Ted. Definitely going to want to enter this. We had the privilege to tour some of the mansion's rooms, and this is one of their bungalows. So this is right on the water, and it's just absolutely stunning. Imagine waking up every morning to this. We did get to tour several of their rooms. So once again, this is the bungalow, but they do have some that are in the mansion. This is the outside of your bungalow. You got the pool right there, and look at this. You can go sunbathe right there. You can go out there in the morning and have your coffee, but spectacular. There's the mansion for you. You are definitely going to want to check this out. This is one of the rooms in the mansion, and to say it has a killer view would be an understatement. The room next door actually has that whole balcony, and there was someone in there, so we could not actually go and look at it. But this room has a huge bathroom, as you can see, and you got this door, and you have a shared balcony with one other room, which is also really nice. You get to see the street right there. Southernmost Point is right there to your left. That's Duval Street right there. The mansion dead ends at Duval. So right here is another part of the mansion, and this is the Lopez house. There's several rooms in here, but this one is kind of like an apartment. So it's really nice, and yeah, you can fit a couple more people in there. And this is the outside of the Lopez house. There is Stephanie. So guys, go and enter this. This is for 2 nights at the mansion. $50 to La Creperie, Seaside Cafe, and One Love. And it goes tour with Southernmost Ted. Go and enter. Thank you.